Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's presentation on the gluteal region muscles. I'll be using a complete anatomy model to go over the basic attachments and actions of each muscle. On the screen, I'll include more specific attachments, actions, and innervations for each muscle. So let's get started. First, what are the gluteal region muscles? The gluteal region has a superficial layer and a deep layer. The superficial layer includes gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, gluteus minimus, and the tensor fasciae latae, or TFL. Beneath that are the deep rotators, the piriformis, superior gemellus, obturator internus, inferior gemellus, and the quadratus femoris. Why are these muscles so important? These muscles are essential for hip movement and stability. The gluteus maximus is the primary hip extensor and also laterally or externally rotates the hip. The gluteus medius and the gluteus minimus are key abductors of the hip and also assist in medial rotation. The tensor fasciae latae muscle, or the TFL, helps with flexion, abduction, and medial or internal rotation. The deep rotators are small but important muscles that laterally rotate the hip and stabilize the joint. Now let's look at attachments and actions. The gluteus maximus attaches from posterior ilium and posterior sacrum and inserts onto the iliotibial tract and the femur. Its action is hip extension and lateral rotation. The gluteus medius and gluteus minimus both attach on the outer surface of the ilium and insert onto the greater trochanter of the femur. Their actions are hip abduction and medial rotation. The tensor fasciae latae attaches near the iliac crest and inserts into the IT band. It helps flex, abduct, and immediately rotate the hip. The deep rotators, the piriformis, superior gemellus, obturator internus, inferior gemellus, and quadratus femoris, all attach from the pelvis to the greater trochanter region. Their main role is lateral rotation and hip stability. So how can a PT remember all of these muscles? Think of them in layers. The big mover on top is the maximus. The stabilizers in the middle are the medius and the minimus. The helper on the side is the TFL. And underneath are the six small rotators. A good mnemonic for the deep group is please save our good queen. For the piriformis, superior gemellus, obturator internus, inferior gemellus, and the quadratus femoris. So in summary, the gluteal muscles form a layered system that provides hip stability and movement, and are very important for physical therapy and rehabilitation. Thank you for following along.